Hey guys, we just got home from church and afterward we went and got our weekly grocery shopping done, and we are about to marinate some chicken to make some skewers for the Blackstone. So we're getting ready to do that right now. We're going to bring you guys along.
I'm just dicing these chicken breasts up, which was a benefit because they already are partially stripped. So all I gotta do is just clean it up and cut it into 3 small pieces, and we'll put them in the marinade.
So we are going to make our seasoning really quick. I'm just going to use some ranch dressing, some olive oil, and then some salt and pepper. I'm going to throw together some ranch dressing really quick by, I always use Hellmann's. Hellmann's is my favorite. Got approximately a half a cup. So we've got half a cup of mayo, half a cup of milk, and then I'm just going to use a half of this packet of ranch, about. And then I'm going to put the other half of the packet in here, where I've already added in the olive oil. There we go. Just whisk that together. There is our ranch dressing. I'm going to put it in here because Art is over there cleaning out the fridge for me. Okay, so we are going to finish this marinade. We've got our olive oil and our half a packet of ranch dressing. We're gonna add in a little bit of lemon juice. I'm just adding a little bit to taste, and then I'll see if I need to add more. Got our salt and pepper. Let me see how that tastes. Yeah, needs a little something, maybe lemon, maybe more lemon juice. Okay, so I am just gonna do a little bit of garlic powder. Oh yes, that's perfect now. You can just adapt that however you want to your own preferences. Here is our chicken. We're marinating it in the marinade that we just put together. So we just found a package of some of our green beans from the garden. It looks like our, what's it called? The Savor. Oh my gosh, I lost the word for it. What is that thing called?
Vacuum sealer.
Vacuum sealer. That was the word I was looking for. Okay, let me start over. Our vacuum sealer did not seal this bag very well, and it looked like it was starting to get a frost burn on there. It hadn't yet, but it was going to. So we're going to go ahead and cook these green beans as well. So I just got a little foil packet, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do so that we can throw these on the Blackstone as well. Okay guys, we're getting the green beans ready. I've taken a little bit of butter and put on top, and then I've got my lemon pepper seasoning that we are gonna, oh, it's brand new apparently. Okay, lemon pepper seasoning. We're just gonna throw these on the Blackstone while everything else is cooking. Just like that. I've got our ranch dressing going in here so we can use it as a drizzle. So at this point, apparently we had lost our audio and we were unaware. So I'm just going to do this voiceover. I apologize for that. I know I hate when I have to watch videos where the audio is bad. So I hope this comes across okay, but I just want to recap what we were doing here. So I took about a half a block of cream cheese and heated it for about 20 seconds to soften it in the microwave. And then I added in some crumbled bacon, some garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper, and then a little bit of crushed fried onions, like French's brand, but as you can see, we use the generic. At that point, we were ready to stuff our peppers. What I had was some trick Jew peppers from the garden, and those are jalapeno peppers that are not spicy because I am extremely sensitive to spice. So I had already sliced these in half and removed the seeds and membranes. And at this point, we were just stuffing them with the filling. And then after that, we took them out to the Blackstone. So now we're outside and we've got the Blackstone heated up. We've already got the green beans on there. You can see the foil packet. And then here comes Art with our chicken. And then he's about to grab the peppers. And we just go ahead and put the peppers on. And we just blistered the bottoms. We kind of had them on a low heat. And once we got them all on there, we put the dome on the top so that it would kind of trap the heat inside. And we just left those on there and let them heat. And then we turned the heat off to keep them warm under the dome until we needed the domes for the chicken. And then I removed them from the griddle, and the bottoms were blistered just enough, and they were perfect. They tasted so good.
What's in here?
Those beans.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
We put the dome over that.
Yeah.
I need to wash my hands. Thank you, sir.
Uh-huh.
I decided to also saute a little bit of spinach while we had the griddle heated up. I just add salt and pepper to my spinach when I saute it, and then in the end we mixed that in with the green beans once we got those cooked, and some of the bacon got mixed in there too, and oh my, it was so delicious.
Of course, my entire time of doing this, thinking I am going to drop these on the way out to the door.
Oh,
Do not do that.
that would be bad.
That would not be good.
Okay, here we go, guys. We've got the chicken. You want to show them under the domes? Got the chicken cooking there. Doesn't that look so delicious? And then our beans, we kind of steamed them in that packet with butter and lemon pepper seasoning. And now we're just kind of crisping them up. After they had steamed a bit, we wanted to make them crispy. And then we've got all of our onions and peppers that Art had chopped up. Our stuffed peppers over here are done, and we just sampled those. They are so delicious. And then we got our bacon and the rest of our toppings for the skewers that we're going to finish up here in just a moment. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and drizzle our ranch on here.
Go ahead and be generous on it.
We can put more on it in a little bit. Well,
yep.
Yeah, you're right. Okay.
That looks great. Here we go.
Oh, yeah. I'm being very generous with the bacon. We were talking about this earlier, and we agree that it is un-American to not like bacon. We'll just scrape all that up here in a minute. Oh, this is going to be so good. You got that? And as always, I just use 2% cheese. We always begin every meal with a prayer, of course. And now we are ready to dig into this food. So to recap, we've got our chicken skewers, we've got our lemon pepper green beans, and we've got trick Jew jalapeno poppers. And then we also have the sauteed spinach. So one thing that we did not capture on camera, actually two things, for the chicken, I actually added in some more ranch seasoning onto the chicken while it was marinating. So I did use more than just a half a packet. I would say that that was probably a full packet total. And then one other thing is that Art multiple times was shaking Parmesan cheese onto the chicken while it was cooking. So we did have Parmesan cheese being kind of grilled into the chicken, which I think both of those things together really gave it a great flavor. And of course, we also had the peppers and onions that Art had chopped up that were on the griddle as well. And those really added to this meal. So I'm going to call this Parmesan Ranch Chicken Bacon Skewers. And then, of course, we had the jalapeno poppers and the lemon pepper green beans. We had so much food left over after this. So we both have plenty of food to eat for the rest of the week for our lunches at work. We thank you guys for joining us. We ask you to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And remember to go the second mile for somebody in your life and with your resources.